Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make Twitter account private on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the Twitter app and then click on your profile on the upper left and then click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy and Safety. And then on the Protect Your Tweets section, make sure to toggle it on. To ensure that it is on, make sure that the color is green and not gray. Basically, what this will do is that those people who do not follow you won't see your likes, your followers, your following, and also your tweets. If someone follows you, they will be placed in the follower request section. And then here, you may opt to choose or to allow them to follow you or not. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.